Oh.
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
Well, wait, switch up. I didn't touch it.
Hey guys, it's Evan and Jillian, and today we're back with another viewer requested challenge. We're doing the mystery wheel of slime. So I'm not the best with slime, but Jillian's a pro at it apparently.
Yes. So basically we spin the wheel and whatever we get, like we have activator, glue, some add-ins, and some weird stuff like popcorn kernels and free pebbles, we have to put in our bowls. We also have switch up, which means we have to switch our bowls and switch slimes, so I'm kind of scared about that, so let's get started.
Okay, so may I ask, before you start, why did you pick Fruity Pebbles?
I don't know, it's colorful, so why not put in slime?
I like the switch up one. Hopefully, you just make a really good one, and then I get yours at the end, and bye-bye.
Oh, come on, Evan. I'll go first and see what we get. Green color, what?
Green color.
Green? I don't even have glue, but I have food coloring. Okay.
Boom. Boom.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, and it's green color. This is starting out pretty much the same.
I like my green color.
Don't put too much, only put like 4 drops, like me.
Green color.
Okay, now I get
Green color.
glitter glue, yay! What color is this gonna be, like brown or something?
I don't know, it's gonna look like a watermelon.
Okay.
We're about to find it.
Whoa, that's
no, it looks like a tomato, see?
very hard to
Red.
get out.
Are you putting in all of it?
Yeah.
Here I go. No red glue.
Activator! Activator! So we have 2 types of activator. We have activator number 1, which is liquid starch, and activator number 2, which is contact solution and baking soda.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Okay, enough. And I get glitter glue. More glitter glue.
Okay, which color do you want, black or pink?
Pink. I'm not putting the whole thing in this time.
Uh-oh.
Okay, that's good.
I'm a spin. Clear glue. Good, I needed glue.
Woo, it's slime.
Oh my God, wow. What was that? Okay. What?
Here, actually squeeze it. Like squeeze it.
Ah.
There we go. Speed things up.
Mine's more slimy than yours.
Yeah, because you have activator, but don't mix it yet. Okay, what do I get? Activator number 1! This is the liquid starch activator. Okay, that's good for me. Spin the wheel, Evan!
The irony is that green's not one of my favorite colors, and yeah.
Switch up!
No!
Yeah, no!
Wait, what?
No!
That's
What? What is this?
awesome.
My slime is actually pretty. Okay. Please get switch up. I want my slime back. Beads. So we got some nice little tube beads. Okay, so they're very colorful. Okay, I mean that's enough. Spin the wheel.
I'm getting hit with
What
that.
are you getting? Switch up, yay!
Switch up?
Yay!
Jill,
Yay! I love you!
Wait, Jill.
Don't get switch up this time. Activator 1? I have so much activator now. Mine's gonna be hard as a rock. Okay, that's enough. I don't want it to be too hard.
Whoa.
I'll get some more glue or something. Popcorn kernels!
Ooh la la. Do I love me some good popcorn?
Kernels. You can't eat these, Evan. We'll probably break your teeth, but I have like no add-ins. Okay, I'm scared to look. Don't be switch up, because I like my
Glitter glue.
more glitter glue. I've got every single color of glitter glue we have. Wait, is this purple? No, it's black. Ew. Ew.
Thanos?
Get out. Okay, go. Oh, phew.
Shaving
cream. Okay, that's enough.
Oh, so satisfying.
That's enough. That's enough.
It is satisfying.
Your thing is gonna be so fluffy. Okay, and I get glitter. Okay, I got some blue glitter going in. Okay, you go. I have a lot of glitter. Yellow color. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. You already have green color. No.
You know what it looks like? It looks like cheese on a cloud.
Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles.
Tiny balls.
There we go. Spin the wheel. Activator number 2.
I already got some of this before, but I'll just add a bit more around the edges.
Okay. Glitter glow! I'll do some pink again, because I didn't use all of the pink.
Wait, what do I need some glitter to?
I know, I'm using the...
That's it.
Oh, my.
Oh!
Okay, there. No!
Okay. I'm
No!
See, this is ugly. Mine's way better.
Yours is like too much.
Too much. Activator number 2.
Yours just keeps on getting activated.
That's mine.
Hopefully I'll get mine back. Don't put some bad stuff in mine.
Activator number 2.
Come on. Okay, that's enough activator. That's enough activator. And glitter. I'll put blue into this too.
No, oh, Jillian, you covered the orange.
Don't worry, it's all gonna get messed up.
Whoa.
Clear glue. That's enough glue, I think, because mine already has a lot. That one already has a lot of glue. White glue.
White glue.
Okay, here's the big gallon.
How much
I
glue is
mean, well, I've already used some of this gallon, so it's like half a gallon, but.
Because milk can be thousand. Whoa!
Okay, that's enough.
Stop, wait, what are you doing?
I'm just getting all that string off.
Okay, here's the last one. It actually looks like those lollipops. Oh,
Shaving cream.
shaving cream.
Well, wait, switch up. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. It switched up. It switched up. My baby. Replay that. I did not touch it. Okay, here's my mixed up. It's so gluey. There's a black glue.
It looks like gel from Portal.
Oh, ew.
Okay, I'm gonna mix mine. This is looking good. It looks like, oh no, now it's not. Why do I always get the gross things?
So mine's a little too gooey, so I think I would need some more activator.
And mine's too plain. Mine just looks like salad dressing. Let's do a few more spins and see what we get.
I don't need any color or glue.
Oh.
Popcorn kernels, okay.
Got popcorn in space.
Okay. Googly eyes!
Googly eyes.
Yay, you needed some stuff to spice it up. Not way too much glitter glue. Activator number 2! I got what I needed.
Okay, let's see.
What are you gonna get? Popcorn kernel!
Okay, I already have some, but I'm just gonna put like all of it in there.
What? You dumped the bag in there. Oh, that sounds weird. Really mixing all those kernels.
Are you guys satisfied?
Yeah, let's see what mine looks like. Ugh. Mine looks like galaxy slime. Oh, this slime is actually really good.
Let me try to hold mine. Oh,
Ew!
pretty. Oh, I can feel the curls in there.
Oh, geez, you need more activator. Okay.
Okay, so I think we're done. Here's my slime. Oh, hey, get out of here. Get out of here. So yeah, here's mine.
Oh,
Pretty ooey and gooey. Probably not your best pick, but
can I feel? Oh, that's actually really good. And here's my slime. It is really nice. It doesn't stick to my hands. Has nice texture. You could feel the popcorn kernels.
I like the texture of my slime. I'm not the biggest fan of the looks, but hey, it's slime. What did you expect? Hey, you can even use it to clean your hands.
Wow! I don't even know what happened to Fruity Pebbles. They're gone. Look at no Fruity Pebbles anywhere.
Okay, so whose slime do you think is the best? Leave a comment down below. And also leave a comment on what other challenges you'd like to see from us. Okay guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.